Hello everybody, welcome back to another Apple video. In this one, I want to talk to you about the Apple Watch, and in particular, the device's 10th anniversary. Speculatively called Apple Watch X, which makes sense being it's now a decade old, or it will be at this point. Apple is apparently working on a thinner casing for the Apple Watch X, as well as different ways for bands to attach to the device. As you know, the Apple Watches kind of look the same for the last, since the beginning, and if they can find a way to connect the bands to the Apple Watch's casing and maybe make some more room for a battery, a little bit bigger battery, stuff like that, it might go over well. Now, this new watch is tentatively called Apple Watch X, according to Mark Gurman, and again, this is speculation at best here, but what they're looking to do is they're trying to make it a little bit thinner. They want the casing to be a little thinner, and they want to have the ability to attach different bands sort of over the life cycle, so you don't have to, you get an Apple Watch 4 and an Apple Watch 8 and they're just not compatible. The other thing is the existing band system, it takes up a lot of space, and they think that they can maybe, get some bigger batteries in there or other different internal components, including a potential blood pressure monitor. So just something to keep in mind. This is all speculation at this time, but this is apparently what Apple appears to be working on. Also note that the introduction of micro LED display technology, it's going to potentially coincide with the release of the Apple Watch X. Right now they're using the older OLED screens, and yeah, you know what? This could be another boost to the design and the look and feel of the Apple Watch X. And this is all, of course, with a grain of salt. Take this all with a grain of salt, but the Apple Watch Series 9, which is due to be released, I guess within the next month, maybe? Well, it's only a minor refresh, and to be fair, a lot of the recent releases have been minor refreshes. So yeah, there's that going on. So hopefully they've got the Apple Watch X there. It's going to be a big deal, but again, who knows? The new 9 is going to have a little bit faster components, maybe another couple of different looks, but it's kind of just a little bit more of the same. So anyways, that's the rumor mill at the moment. If you heard anything else, or if you've heard anything different, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll be back soon with some more content. Thanks for watching.